Hi, welcome to Navigating Earth. In this video, we'll explore the distinctions between spirituality and religion, as well as the diverse range of spiritual practices and religious expressions, always approaching them with an open heart and an open mind. It's important to share that there's no right or wrong way to experience spirituality or religion, as each person's journey is valid and meaningful. We aim to offer objective information and allow each person to decide the best path for their experience here on Earth. If you enjoy this content, the simple gesture of liking and subscribing has a tremendous impact in supporting our new channel. That small effort helps us grow and create even better content for you, so thanks in advance. To start, spirituality and religion are two interconnected yet distinct concepts that play significant roles in the lives of individuals and communities worldwide. While they both involve the exploration of deeper meaning and a connection to something greater than oneself, they are categorized by unique approaches, beliefs, and practices. Spirituality is a deeply personal and individualistic journey that emphasizes inner experiences, self-reflection, and a flexible approach to beliefs that may draw from various traditions. In contrast, religion entails organized practices, rituals, and specific belief systems within formal religious institutions. This video digs a little deeper into the diverse categories that distinguish spirituality from religion, inviting you to explore these realms with curiosity and, of course, an open mind. Number 1. The nature of practice. Spirituality focuses on individual exploration and inner experiences. It often involves practices such as meditation, mindfulness, yoga, prayer, and self-reflection. These practices aim to connect with a higher power, the universe, or one's inner self, fostering a sense of inner peace, enlightenment, and personal growth. Religious practices are typically organized and prescribed by specific religious traditions. They include rituals, ceremonies, prayers, worship, and observances that follow the teachings and guidelines set forth by the respective religion's sacred texts and doctrines. These rituals also aim to connect to a higher power, but as one described by the doctrines and teachings of the specific religion. Number 2, belief system. Spirituality is open-ended and allows individuals to draw from various philosophical and religious traditions to create their own beliefs. It is characterized by a sense of flexibility, as people can explore diverse spiritual paths without being bound by a fixed set of dogmas. Religions have a well-defined belief system that encompass specific views on the nature of divinity, the afterlife, the purpose of human existence, and moral guidelines. These beliefs are often described in sacred texts and upheld by religious authorities. Number 3, institutional affiliation. Spirituality is not tied to any particular religious institution. People may pursue their spiritual journey independently or seek guidance from spiritual teachers, mentors, or communities outside of formal religious settings. Religions are typically associated with formal religious institutions, such as churches, temples, mosques, or synagogues, which provide the organizational structure and framework for religious practices and communal worship. Number 4, community. Spirituality can be a deeply personal and individual journey. While some people may form spiritual communities or engage in spiritual practices together, the primary focus is often on individual exploration and growth, yet with the inclusion of all. Religion places a strong emphasis on communal worship and gatherings. Religious communities come together for regular services, holidays, festivals, and other shared religious activities, yet some of their basic tenets might not always be inclusive of different viewpoints, opinions, or perspectives. Number 5, sacred texts and authority. Spirituality relies on personal experiences, inner guidance, and insights rather than specific sacred texts or religious authorities. People may draw inspiration from a wide range of spiritual literature and teachings. Religions typically have sacred texts, scriptures, or holy books that are considered divinely inspired and provide the foundation for religious beliefs and practices. Religious authorities such as priests, clerics, or religious leaders interpret and guide the understanding of those texts. Number 6, purpose and meaning. Spirituality often revolves around seeking personal meaning, purpose, and connection to something greater than oneself. It focuses on exploring life's deeper questions, finding inner peace, and developing a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Religions offer a structured framework for understanding life's purpose, moral guidelines, and relationship with the divine. They provide answers to fundamental questions about existence and offer a sense of direction and purpose in life. Number 7, flexibility and adaptability. Spirituality allows for open-minded exploration and adaptation of beliefs and practices. Individuals can blend ideas from various spiritual traditions or adapt their practices to suit their evolving needs and beliefs. Religions often emphasize the preservation of tradition and may have limited flexibility in terms of practices and beliefs. Religious teachings and rituals are often passed down through generations, aiming to maintain continuity and orthodoxy. Religious institutions aren't always flexible when it comes to practices outside of their teachings. Number 8, approach to morality. Spirituality places a strong emphasis on universal principles such as compassion, love, kindness, empathy, and interconnectedness. Moral behavior is seen as an expression of spiritual values and a means to connect with the divine or higher consciousness. Religions usually provide specific moral codes, ethical guidelines, and commandments derived from their sacred texts and religious teachings. Adherents are expected to follow these rules as a way of pleasing the divine and living a righteous life. Number 9, transcendence and afterlife. Spirituality often focuses on seeking transcendence and connection with the divine or higher consciousness during one's lifetime. It may not always involve strict beliefs about the afterlife, but emphasizes finding meaning and purpose in the present moment. Religions typically include specific beliefs about the afterlife, such as the existence of heaven, hell, reincarnation, or the attainment of salvation or liberation. These beliefs shape adherents' actions and attitudes toward the eternal journey after death. It's important to remember that these distinctions are not rigid, and there can be overlap and variations between different individuals, cultures, and specific practices. Some people may identify as both spiritual and religious, while others may embrace one aspect more than the other based on their personal preferences and experiences. May you have the courage to find peace, love, and profound connectedness on your journey navigating Earth. Thanks for stopping by.